What's up guys, it's me AJ and today we are headed to Wairau Park in the North Shore of Auckland for a collaboration of the ages. Hapunan, one of my favorite Filipino food trucks, is collaborating with Grownup Donuts, one of the best donut shops in the city, for a Ube Ice Cream Donut sandwich. It sounds insane, I know, sounds very delicious. Obviously we're gonna hit up Hapunan for some of their savory items. I am so excited, let's go. Alright, so we made it. We ordered pretty much everything. We ordered 2 Adobo Del Diablos, 2 kare-kares, 1 Shomai, 1 patati, 2 Ube ice creams, the whole shebang. The food truck's right there. The line's already pretty long. I'm super excited. Let's eat. So, gonna get started, gonna dig into their ever-popular Adobo Del Diablo. It's one of their most popular menu items. It's marinated turmeric chicken. It's got the slaw. It's got the bud of the garlic in a bed of a coconut rice in a curry-esque sauce. Let's dig in. Oh yeah. Oh my goodness. It's always good. It never fails. So coconutty and rich, and just the spice, not like heat spice, but like spices is just perfect. I'm gonna get some of that slaw. Perfect acidic vegetal component. It's always a winner of a dish. Like, we videoed this a long time ago, so if you watch that, you know how good it is. Hapunan's Adobo Del Diablo never fails.
Gonna try their pork and prawn shomai. I'm gonna do a one-biter. You can taste that subtle prawn. The pork isn't too overpowering. It's nice and tender. The skin is perfectly thick. Top tier.
So, next dish is their beef kare-kare. For those who don't know, kare-kare is a peanutty beef stew, a typical Filipino dish. It's one of Yanbi's favorites actually. Let's just smell it. Oh, I can already smell that bagoong, that fermented shrimp paste that is so key to a great kare-kare. Let's dig in. So usually kare-kare is really like that signature yellowish orange tinge, but this one's already so dark and deep. I think it's because the bagoong is already mixed in, so let's give it a taste. Oh. What the heck? Oh my goodness. I've had this before, but we didn't include it in the other video. But I swear it's like better than the last time. Oh my goodness. Oh. That beef, it's just out of this world tender. The funkiness, the salty umaminess from the bagoong is just so perfect. Man, this is just a winner of a dish. Oh my goodness. Oh man. Yanbi, you're gonna love this. Have you had this before?
Yes.
Okay, I mean, you already know what it tastes like, but you're still gonna like it.
I actually don't remember what this tastes like. I just remember it being not so typical kare-kare, but in a good way, so. Dreams by Fleetwood Mac. It's playing in my head. I truly am dreaming. It's so good. Like, I'm not really a beef. Did you see that? What? I like spat rice out of my mouth. I'm not really a beef person, but this is like, wow. I understand. I like the coconut rice.
Now here I go again. You say
I don't trust people who don't like kare-kare.
you want your freedom.
And let's make ourselves a bit skinny because lockdown wasn't so kind to us. Some veggies. Wow. Wow, great.
Alright, last but not least for their savories is their patatim bao. Patatim is like a star anise forward pork stew in the Philippines, very Chinese influenced, but you know, it's here, it's in a bao, it's in a nice pocket with some cucumber, some coriander. If you don't like coriander, you're a child. So let's dig in. Man, that just hits the spot. The patatim is just so, not flaky, but like, it's got like shreds and so juicy and tender. And it's got that nice star anise flavor. It's so umami forward. The coriander, it just goes so well with it. And the cucumber is very like crunchy and gives it that nice acidity. I believe it's pickled. And the bao, it's very pillowy soft, like a baby's bottom. Not that I've touched the baby's bottom. I'm not a pedophile. But it's really good, really nice. Oh yeah, good egg. Alright, the main event, guys. Look at this. Okay, firstly, the donut looks amazing. It's so golden and fluffy, and the ube ice cream is so perfectly purple. My goodness, I am so excited. The wind is blowing. Let's hope this doesn't blow away. Let's dig in. Ooh. Oh. Mmm. Look at that, guys. Oh my goodness. Like usually they have their ube pandesal, right? Which is really nice as well. But the fact adding a grown-up donut, because this donut is so fluffy and just perfect, it just elevates it to a whole nother level. Oh my goodness, they're onto something here. It's like collab of the year. Oh my goodness. Oh, and then ube ice cream as well. Perfect ube flavor, man. This is what dreams are made of. Alexa, play Dreams by Fleetwood Mac. Great.
Alright, let's give this a taste.
Delicious.
Yeah.
Wow. I've actually never... This is our first time trying Grownup Donuts as well. And like, it's so perfectly fluffy. And it's not too thick, because I hate donuts that try to be like way too big and there's just too much bread or dough. But this is like the perfect ratio. Wow.
Wow, great.
So I haven't actually finished our Adobo Del Diablo yet. And like, I'm also having bites of the donut at the same time, because I don't want the ice cream to melt. The absolute chaos of flavors. It's going on in my mouth right now. This is so weird, but it's so nice. Adobo Del Diablo. You know what, man? Let's put it inside. Let's. No, we're not gonna do that. Oh my goodness. Hapunan, as always, another banger meal. Alright guys, we hope you guys enjoyed a glimpse of a very, very exciting collab between Hapunan and Grownup Donuts, two incredible establishments in Auckland. The food was amazing. Sadly, we didn't get to try other Grownup Donuts flavors, but that is definitely a spot for next time. We cannot wait. The Ube Donut was amazing and the food was amazing as per usual. Anyway guys, thank you guys for watching another one of our food and travel vlogs. This is one of our first videos back in Auckland. Just a little short video. Actually don't know how long it's gonna be, so yeah, whatever. No, it's gonna be like, no, I keep on saying it's gonna be short, but it's probably gonna end up being like 11 minutes. But anyway guys, thank you guys for watching and see you guys on the next one.
Bye.
You're ugly.